Hello, Jeff Foster, WebBiz Ideas. This video is the first in a series I'm calling How Did I Find That Site? Because many people ask me after our company has gotten something published is how did you do it? How did you get that editorial? And more importantly, how did you find the website first that would accept an editorial, that would accept a guest post, that would accept content to get written? And so this video is explore different ways that we can find websites that we can influence. This specific example is for a dentist, but it can be really used for any industry by just replacing the keywords dentist with your keyword. So what we're looking at right now is the website we found, dentalheroes.com, and they allow people to submit material and content, and they'll publish it if they like it. Fantastic, right? You want to find hundreds of websites like this. So we're going to explore one, how I found this website, and two, how once you find this website, how you can turn this one website into hundreds just like it. So step one, how do we find this website? Well, we just simply did a simple search operating term called right. We put in a keyword phrase, right for us. So we're looking for this in the text of the page, and then we put our keyword dentist. You can see our other tutorials on advanced search operating terms, on learning how to search, or even how to find guest bloggers. All of those will teach you how to do this. But for now, you could just simply copy the phrase right for us, and then throw in your keyword here, dentist. And now that's how we found it, right? Not only are there thousands just like it that you could explore, but the first result is the one that we found. So that's how we found this website that allows you to submit material about dentists and get a link from them, because obviously they're going to allow you to also quote your company, put your blog in there, things like that, and now you can build links and help you rank in the search engines. So that's the simple part of it, right? You may even know how to do this already. So let me show you now, once you find a website, where the benefit really comes from, how you can take one and turn them into hundreds. So step two to do that would be, after you find a website like this, not only record that, but you want to find who wrote the article and who writes for this website. Because chances are, if this person writes, for example, if we go to the home page and we start scrolling down and we click on one of these blog posts, chances are if this person, Jill, right, if she guest posts here, right, she's promoting her company, there's her link, chances are she probably does this other places. And so we want to find quickly other places that she's done it for, so we can really copy her. So this is how you would do that. Number one, you would copy the website she is promoting, and you could type it into a tool like Open Site Explorer that shows you all the places that link to a site. Right? So they're going to show you dentalheroes.com, right, because it links to her website. So when we throw that in their software, that's what we're going to find, right? Dental Heroes is here. But guess what, right? There's other websites, dentalproductsreport.com, this pen one right here, and there's many other ones that link to her website. So maybe she also does the same thing on those websites. And so that's what we're going to explore, right? We want to go to those websites and see if she does the same thing. Now, another way that you could do it without Open Site Explorer, you could type in the simple search operating term. This is also taught in our Learn How to Find Guest Bloggers tutorial, but in post author and then the person's name. Now, this is only for websites that code correctly, because if you look at an example of a place that has this, right, usually when good coding is done, when you have an author of a blog post, an article, or anything, you're supposed to put the class of the author class that Google wants. And so for websites that code correctly, right, you can actually search this and find that author in the results. And right, here's the same article that we found, dental practice, right, that's her website, Dental Practice Coaching, Dental Heroes. And if we would go on, we would see the same websites that are in Open Site Explorer, maybe more, simply because Open Site Explorer has a little bit more quality of a database. But anyway, that's how you could find many more. And so what we're going to find as we go through these websites, here's Dental Products Report. There's Jill, right? She's guest posting again. Hey, there's a link to her website. There's a link to her website in the bottom. As we go to other places that she's written, right? Here's a whole profile, all these other articles that she's written. We go to other websites. All these are found from those tools. We can see that Jill is promoting her company, promoting her website. In fact, we'll give a shout out to her that she's done a great job, because she's not only building links, but she's doing it the way Google wants, in a way that she's writing quality content and getting that distributed on other people's websites that relate to her, all about dentistry. And so now she's building links, and these websites, right, we're looking to copy for ourselves. And if you explore these websites, eventually, right, you'll see the same thing. Hey, I can submit articles. This is how she did it, right? There's who I contact. And so this is how, when you find one website, you can turn it into many more. Does it work? Does it help people rank number one? Well, here are some keywords that she ranks number one for: dental practice coaching, dental staff training levels, and for some larger keywords like dental practice management speaking, she's starting to rank on the second page. So you can see that the work she's done it is paying off. And so this is what you want to do for your company. This is how you find one related website using a very simple search operating term, and now you turn it into perhaps 10, perhaps 20, right? Here is there's 9 domains that we could find right here. And so that's how you can multiply your efforts. This is how you don't spend hours and hours and hours just searching online. But once you find one person, like Jill, that has done this in the past, you can copy every place that she has done. And so our one tip is, obviously, don't stop with one person. Once you find a website that allows guest posting, you want to do it forever. This is just one person. This is Jill, right? What about Meg? What about Kevin? What about all these people that write for this website? Where else are they being published on? Maybe it's just not guest posting. Maybe it's some quality editorials in some large publications. That's how you find those large publications. Yes, you can search online, and there's many different ways you can do that, and you can see our other tutorials on that. But a very simple way to really cost effectively, right, maybe in one day, pinpoint your efforts would be to find people that have done in the past and just simply copy their website into Open Site Explorer, do a simple search operating term like in-post author, or just even search for the person's name without that, because a lot of websites don't code correctly as of yet, and that's how you multiply your efforts. And just another tip, remember to put all of your articles, once you find them, into an online PR document as well. You want to stay organized. So when you find these websites, you want to put those into that document. You can download that from our website and from our other tutorials on our template on your online PR document. So anyway, this is just the first series of how I found that site. We'll be publishing many more just like this. So you can follow us on YouTube or on our Twitter or on our Google+, and we'll be publishing more like this. So if you're a website, if you're a business owner, if you're a local business, even if you're a national business and you're looking to drive traffic and you're you want to build links for your company, well, we're gonna show you the method that Google wants, where they want popular content published online, and they want natural links from your company. And so we'll be showing you how to explore finding those websites that allow you to do this, or finding those websites that can be influenced in some way to do this.